In this step-by-step tutorial, I will show you how you can change your Instagram story from close friends to everyone. So let's jump straight into the video. The first thing we need to do is head over to Instagram. And then what you will notice is that I've uploaded a close friend story. So if I click on it right here, you can see that this is close friends. The easiest way to get around this and change this from close friends to everyone is to open up the story. You then want to click on more in the bottom right hand corner. And then you want to go down and then select save. Once you click on save story. Click on save story at the bottom, and then as you can see, story saved to camera roll. So now what we need to do is we need to go to the plus icon on your story. You then want to upload the story that you've just saved. And then once you upload the story that you've just saved to your camera roll, you will then be able to upload this for everyone by clicking on this right here and then select your story. Click on share and then click on done. And then what this will do is it will share this to all of your followers on your Instagram. So it's just as simple, guys. That's how you can change your Instagram story from close friends to everyone.